Hello students, welcome back to my channel Study Time. Hello students, today we will start the third chapter, The Midnight Visitor, of the book Footprints Without Feet of class 10th, written by Robert Arthur. The Midnight Visitor is a detective story. You will find the essence of mystery in this story. This story is about detective whose name is Ausable. Ausable shows his intelligence in this story and gets rid of rival Max. Rival means a person or thing competing with another for the same objective or for superiority in the same field of activity. It means Ausable, a secret agent, and another secret agent is Max, and they are the competitor in the same field of activity. Okay? And Ausable is applying his brain in a grave situation. You will find that Ausable was in search of some sensitive papers that was confidential in the hotel room. The Midnight Visitor is a story of how anyone can get rid of a grave situation with the help of common sense. Ausable, a secret agent, is expecting to get a very important report, and that was confidential report. Another secret agent, Max, threatens him with a pistol, demanding the report. Does Ausable outwit him? It means, क्या Ausable, जो दूसरा secret agent है Max, उसे चकमा दे पाता है? Let's find out. Ausable did not fit any description of a secret agent Fowler had ever read. Fowler is a writer and the friend of Ausable. And according to Fowler, Ausable did not fit any description. जैसा कि उसने पढ़ा था, जैसे secret agent की जो personality होती है, he was just opposite. Because he is exactly the opposite of what he had imagined. Following him down the musty corridor of a gloomy French hotel where Ausable had a room. उसके पीछे जाते हुए, follow करते हुए, and the damp smell, musty means damp smell, or you can say lack of freshness. वहाँ की जो air थी, fresh air नहीं थी, and there was a darkness, बहुत ज़्यादा अंधेरा था. कहाँ पे? French hotel में, where Ausable had a room, जहाँ पे उसने Ausable ने room लिया हुआ था. Fowler felt let down and he was disappointed to see the condition of the hotel. It was a small room on the 6th floor and top floor and scarcely a setting for a romantic adventure, and it was not looking the adventurous. Ausable was for one thing fat, very fat. और Ausable की एक चीज़ थी जो कि वो बहुत fat था. And then there was his accent. Though he spoke French and German passably means काम चलाऊ, जो French and German थी वो बोल लेता था. He had never altogether lost the American accent he had brought to Paris from Boston 20 years ago. यानी कि जो उसकी American accent थी वो Boston से Paris वो लेकर आया था, वो नहीं भूला था. You are disappointed, Ausable said wheezily over his shoulder. Ausable said to Fowler, who is a writer, you are disappointed. Said wheezily. Wheezily means breath with difficulty. You were told that I was a secret agent, a spy dealing in espionage and danger. You were told that I was a secret agent. तुम्हें बताया गया था कि मैं एक secret agent हूँ. A spy means detective, dealing in espionage and danger. यानी कि जासूसी में and danger में deal करता हूँ. You wish to meet me because you were a writer, young and romantic. And you wanted to meet me because you were a writer, young and romantic. You envision means imagine, mysterious figures in the night, the crack of pistols, drugs in the wine. Means you wanted to see कि मतलब तुम ये सब mysterious चीज़ें देख पाते night में and crack of pistols and drugs in the wine. But you missed. Instead of ये देखने के बजाय, you have spent a dull evening in a French music hall with a sloppy man स्लोपी फैट मैन यानी कि डल इवनिंग आपको स्पेंड करनी पड़ रही है मेरे साथ. स्लोपी मीन्स केयरलेस. फैट मैन उसके साथ डल इवनिंग स्पेंड करनी पड़ रही है. इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग messages slipped into his hand by dark-eyed beauties gets only a prosaic telephonic call making an appointment in his room. Means ऐसे आदमी के साथ डल इवनिंग स्पेंड करनी पड़ रही है जो कि जिसके पास जो ब्लैक ब्यूटीज हैं, जो गर्ल्स हैं वहाँ पे होटल में, वो उसको मैसेजेस देने के बजाय यानी कि इस फैट मैन को मैसेजेस देने के बजाय वो एक ओरिजिनल टेलीफोनिक कॉल करती हैं for making appointment in his room. You have been bored. तुम बोर हो गए हो ना? The fat man chuckled to himself as he unlocked the door of his room and stood aside to let his frustrated guest enter. The fat man chuckled. Chuckle means talk to himself as he unlocked the door. He opened the door for his office room एंड स्टूड असाइड यानी कि एक साइड हो गया उसको एंटर करवाने के लिए. किसी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड राइटर जो कि फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो चुका था बिकॉज ही वॉज डिसअपॉइंटेड टू सी द कंडीशन एंड सी द कंडीशन ऑफ द फैट मैन, स्लोपी मैन. यू आर disillusioned. Disillusioned means you are sad. Osable told him. किसे? Writer. And writer's name was Fowler. But take cheer, my young friend. मतलब खुश हो जाओ. Presently you will see a paper, a quite important paper for which several men and women have risked their lives. And तुम आज जो पेपर देखोगे that is very confidential and sensitive, जिसके लिए several men and women ने अपनी लाइफ को रिस्क में कर दिया. Come to me. Someday soon that paper may well affect the course of history. And जल्दी ही ये पेपर जो है वो हिस्ट्री को भी चेंज कर देंगे. एंड इट विल चेंज द फ्यूचर ऑफ आवर कंट्री. इन दैट थॉट इज ड्रामा, इज देयर नॉट? क्या ये ड्रामा नहीं है? एज ही स्पोक, ऑसिबल क्लोज द डोर बिहाइंड हिम, देन ही स्विच्ड ऑन द लाइट. एंड एज द लाइट केम ऑन, Fowler had his first authentic thrill of the day. Fowler got scared at the actual situation and he was considering the gravity of the situation. For halfway across the room, a small automatic pistol in his hand, stood a man. There was a man standing mid of the room. He was threatening with a pistol, demanding that report. Osable blinked a few times. Max, he wheezed. Already I have told you its meaning. You gave me a quiet start. You shocked me. I thought you were in Berlin. मुझे लगा तुम बर्लिन में हो. What are you doing here in my room? So students, here are some questions for you. How is Osable different from other secret agents? And next question is, who is Fowler and what is his first authentic thrill of the day? You can give me its answers in my comment box. Okay? Max was slender, a little less than tall, with features that suggested slightly the crafty pointed countenance of a fox. Slender means gracefully thin. Max was slender. There were about him, aside from the gun, nothing specially menacing. Means gun के अलावा कुछ भी dangerous नहीं था. Or you can say threatening नहीं था. The report, he murmured. धीरे से वो बोलता है Max, the report. The report that is being brought to you tonight concerning some new missiles. जो रिपोर्ट आज रात तुम्हारे पास आने वाली है वो कुछ नई मिसाइल्स के बारे में है. I thought I would take it from you. It will be safer in my hands than in yours. Osable moved to an armchair and sat down heavily. I'm going to raise the devil with the management this time. और ये जो मुद्दा है ये मैं मैनेजमेंट के सामने उठाने जा रहा हूँ. You can bet on it, he said grimly. He said seriously. This is the second time in a month that somebody has got into my room through that nuisance of a balcony. ये सेकेंड टाइम है मंथ में कि कोई मेरे रूम में घुस आया है उस बालकनी के थ्रू. Fowler's eyes went to the single window of the room. It was an ordinary window, against which now the night was pressing blackly. मीन्स उसके अगेंस्ट जो अपोजिट साइड में नाइट जो थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लैक दिख रही थी. बालकनी, मैक्स सेड विद अ राइजिंग इन्फ्लेक्शन. मीन्स उसकी बातों से, ऑसिबल की बातों से इन्फ्लुएंस होकर मैक्स ने बोला बालकनी, नो, अब पास की. मैं तो चोर चाबी से आया हूँ, बालकनी से नहीं आया. आई डिड नॉट नो अबाउट द बालकनी. मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था बालकनी के बारे में. इट माइट हैव सेव्ड मी सम ट्रबल हैड आई नोन. अगर मुझे पता होता कि यहाँ कोई बालकनी है तो मैं ट्रबल से बच जाता. इट्स नॉट माई बालकनी, ऑसिबल सैड विथ एक्सट्रीम इरिटेशन. ये मेरी बालकनी नहीं है. इट बिलोंग्स टू द नेक्स्ट अपार्टमेंट. ही ग्लांस्ड एक्सप्लेनेटरीली एट फाउलर. You see, he said, this room used to be a part of a large unit. और ये जो रूम है वो एक large unit का पार्ट हुआ करता था. And the next room through that door there used to be the living room. It had the balcony which extends under my window now. जो कि ये बालकनी हुआ करती थी और मेरी विंडो से नीचे एक्सटेंड करती थी. You can get onto it from the empty room 2 doors down. तुम मेरी रूम में आ सकते हो जो एम्प्टी रूम से, जो कि 2 doors डाउन है. एंड somebody did, और किसी ने ऐसा किया भी था लास्ट मंथ. द मैनेजमेंट प्रॉमिस टू ब्लॉक इट ऑफ बट दे हैवेंट. मैनेजमेंट ने प्रॉमिस किया था कि इसे बंद करवा देंगे, बट उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं किया. मैक्स glanced at Fowler, who was standing stiffly not far from Ausable. Stiffly means strictly, and waved the gun with commanding gesture. And जो गन थी वो फाउलर की तरफ पॉइंट आउट करते हुए बोला, प्लीज सिट डाउन. He said, we have a wait of half an hour, I think. 31 minutes, Ausable said moodily. The appointment was for 12:30. I wish I knew how you learned about the report, Max. तुम्हें मैक्स रिपोर्ट के बारे में कैसे पता चला? The little spy smiled evilly. And we wish we knew how your people got the report, but no harm has been done. लेकिन अभी नुकसान नहीं हुआ है. I will get it back tonight. ये मैं रिपोर्ट वापस ले लूंगा आज रात. What's that? Who is at the door? Fowler jumped at the sudden knocking at the door. Ausable just smiled. That will be the police. वो पुलिस होगी. He said, I thought that such an important paper as the one we are waiting for should have a little extra protection. मैंने सोचा कि ये जो पेपर है, कॉन्फिडेंशियल पेपर, उनके लिए एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्शन होनी चाहिए. I told them to check on me to make sure everything was all right. और मैंने ही उनको बोला था कि एक बार चेक कर लें कि सब कुछ ठीक ठाक है. Max bit his lip nervously. The knocking was repeated. What will you do now? Max, अब तुम क्या करोगे? Ausable asked. If I do not answer the door, they will enter anyway. The door is unlocked, and they will not hesitate to shoot. Max's face was black with anger as he backed swiftly towards the window. And उसका जो गुस्से से फेस जो था वो ब्लैक हो गया था, एंड उसने विंडो की तरफ बैक किया जल्दी से. He swung a leg over the sill. एंड विंडो की जो सिल थी उसने अपने लेग को टर्न किया. Send them away, he warned. I will wait on the balcony. Send them away, or I will shoot and take my chances. Take my chances means take my risk. इन्हें जल्दी भेजो, otherwise I will shoot and take my risk. The knocking at the door became louder and a voice was raised. Mr. Ausable, Mr. Ausable. Keeping his body twisted so that his gun still covered the fat man and his guest. The man at the window grasped the frame with his free hand to support himself. And जो ये मैक्स था उसने विंडो की जो फ्रेम है उसे कस के पकड़ लिया था. Then he swung his other leg up and over the window sill. और जो दूसरे लेग को भी उसने विंडो के सिल से के ऊपर से टर्न करा, यानी कि विंडो की तरफ घूम गया था. The doorknob turned. Swiftly, Max pushed with his left hand to free himself from the sill and dropped the balcony. Means jumped to the balcony. And then he dropped. उसके बाद उसने jump कर दिया. He screamed once shrilly. और वो जोर से चिल्लाया. The door opened and a waiter stood there with a tray. और कौन था? एक वेटर था जो कि ट्रे के साथ खड़ा था. A bottle and 2 glasses. Here's a drink you order for when you return, he said, and set the tray on the table, deftly uncorked the bottle and left the room. और बॉटल को उसने ओपन किया and left the room. White-faced Fowler stared after him. उसके बाद जो फाउलर था जिसका वाइट फेस हो गया था उसने घूरा. But he stammered. उसने हकलाते हुए बोला, The police? There were no police or Sybil sight. He took breath with relief. There were no police. Only Henry, whom I was expecting. But won't that man out on the balcony? क्या वो जो आदमी है वो वापस नहीं आएगा बालकनी पे? Fowler began. No, said Ozibel. He won't return. You see, my young friend, there is no balcony. Now there is a question for you. Question number 1. How has Max got in? And question number 2. How does Ozibel say he got in? You can answer in my comment box. Okay? Now students, what we have learned from this chapter? The ultimate message that one can get from this story is that in any situation we should not panic. Instead, we should take a step and face the situation with our presence of mind. Okay? I hope you have understood this story. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.